Get to it. Search. Okay, Myron's off to the right here. Where? Where's the kitty? Oh, there, she found him. Look, good girl. Whining, tail wiggling. Good girl. Did you find? She's trained to come back and jump on me. Did you find? Good, look at her. No, good girl. Sadie, come. Push. Good girl. Just jumped. Good girl. Show me. Show me. That's a good girl. Okay, good girl. Where's the kitty? Good girl. Little Myron's in the bag. With tail wiggling. Good girl. Okay, we're going to let you see how she gets along with Myron. Hold on. Okay. Good girl. She was raised with 4 kitties. She absolutely loves cats. No aggression whatsoever. She'll groom Myron. Good girl. Where's the kitty? Where's Myron? Good kitty. She definitely knows what kitty means. This is what we need. This is exactly what we're looking for. Good girl. Not ignoring the dog next door, ignoring everything else, totally focused on the kitty. Good girl. Show me Myron. Where's Myron? Kitty, kitty. Good girl. Good girl. Well, Myron doesn't really care for it. Good girl. Okay. So that's Sadie.